These are the cities we live in. They're filled with an endless sea of generic, uninspiring mopeds. They all look the same, and frankly, they're boring. What is it about scooter designs that make them all blend together? Is it a crime against design to make an appealing scooter? Do designers have a secret pact to ensure uniform dullness? But imagine a world where an electric step-through could be as visually impactful and desirable as a superbike. Deep down, isn't that what we all aspire to see? Now that's a world I want to be a part of.
And that world might have just arrived here in leafy Oxfordshire. Say hello to the Zapp i300. This is a debut urban bike from a trailblazing brand that is daring to challenge the status quo. They're the first electric motorcycle company that's mashing superbike tech and design with the practicality and agility of a city bike. Oh, and by the way, I'm at Zapp's UK base here at Bicester Heritage, and they've kindly given me a test track all to myself and a production prototype right over there. But before we get into the detail, let me tell you why I am so excited about this bike. You see, I commute every day to the Electroheads towers on an electric moped. And in comparison to mine, the Zapp i300 packs some serious power. With up to 14 kilowatts of peak power, 54 Newton meters of torque from 0 RPM and 3 driving modes, it offers incredible performance for a city bike. It can reach a limited top speed of 60 miles an hour and it can get there in under 5 seconds. That's lightning fast. But it's not all about the speed. The Zapp i300 comes with twin ultra-portable switchable battery packs and is unique among city bikes in that those removable batteries can work independently, meaning you can run your Zapp on full power with just one battery, while the others are charging. They're only 6 kilos each, and once they're out, you can plug them in anywhere, just like you would a laptop. And of course, those batteries mean no engine, so you aren't creating any tailpipe emissions when you're riding through the city. Zapp has worked hard too to ensure the i300 is sustainable throughout its manufacturing process, using materials such as upcycled ocean plastics and biocomposites like hemp for the bodywork. And there's an added bonus to how these sleek power packs have been designed into the i300. Because they are located so low, the bike has an ultra-low center of gravity. This, in theory, should translate to an agile and nimble ride thanks to the exoskeleton chassis and superbike-inspired rear swing arm. These are designed to provide stability and maneuverability with shocks that are adjustable at both ends. The brakes too have a real performance spec to them, a 255mm full-floating front disc and radial mounted 4-piston calipers with dual channel ABS that are designed to stop you safely and in no time when the double-decker bus pulls out in front of you. Now let's take a closer look at the sleek and aggressive design. I love it. It makes it stand out from the crowd. Superbike-inspired aesthetics. The attention to detail is impressive. From the LED lighting, to the futuristic digital display, to the real carbon fiber panels that would look at home on a Ducati. And check out these alloy wheels. The Zapp i300 is all about combining style and performance. Right, enough talk, let's see how this thing rides.
The first thing I noticed is the instant acceleration and precise handling. It feels like a superbike, but with the agility of a small city scooter. And it's got a really neat trick that only someone who really gets riding would have engineered in. When you feel the need for speed, you can flick down a set of pegs that allow you to pop your feet back motorcycle style and really feel at one with the bike. With your feet pinned back, it's like a true bike, which makes it almost effortless to weave through traffic, and the power delivery is smooth and exhilarating. This riding position genuinely gave me the confidence to start throwing it into the corners like I would a bigger motorcycle. Its dynamics and weight distribution made me want to lean into the corners and instinctively stick my knee out. It's nothing like I expected.
And when you're done riding motorcycle style, you just flick the foot pegs up and suddenly the Zapp becomes a commuter scooter.
Riding it in a more conventional position will be familiar to anyone who has ridden a step-through, comfy and relaxed over long distances. And what's more, the punchy torque gives you reassurance that you can get the Zapp where you want it, when you want it, which for city riding is crucial, not only for beating everyone at the traffic lights, but also for your own safety. And for those people that say that electric is boring or that you can't hear it coming, the Zapp actually has a really interesting and noticeable electric motor sound. It builds with speed and is actually a bit of a head turner, or should I say ear turner? Anyway.
So, what's my verdict on the Zapp i300? After spending a full day with it, I can confidently say it could be a game changer. A perfect blend between superbike performance and urban practicality. Oh, and I've left the best part for last. The i300 can be ridden by anyone in the UK with an A1 motorcycle license, and that means anyone over the age of 17 with a CBT test passed. So, if you're looking for a machine that brings the excitement of a superbike into the city streets, then this might be the beast you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching Electroheads. I'll see you in the next one.